Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the new Patrick Ta Major Skin Hydra-Luxe Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation for a natural glow. So if you want to hear my thoughts on the foundation and how it worked well with the other products that I use, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload. I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of the new Patrick Ta Major Skin Hydra-Luxe Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation for a natural glow. Alrighty, this came out yesterday, August 20, what's that, 27th? Around there, the 27th. And I picked mine up today. My shade is 22 Golden Olive. So she's a little pricey, guys, a little bit pricey. It was $58 and it comes in 30 different shades. So this is going to be my first time ever trying Patrick Ta's product. So I'm excited to see how it looks. And you get 1 fluid ounce, 30 ml. So 22 Golden Olive is dark with golden olive undertones. That's what the lady matched me with today. So I'm hoping that, you know, we have a good match. Alrighty, so let me just give you some information about it. It's a lightweight and luminous foundation with serum inspired ingredients and a buildable medium to medium coverage formula. Buildable medium coverage formula that boosts hydration and blurs the look of imperfection. So we shall see how it works. Of course, it's a liquid formula, and some of the ingredients that it has: hyaluronic acid, which help plumps the skin, plant-derived squalene, which visible improves elasticity and diffuse fine lines. It also has kombucha, which enhances the look of smoothness and radiance. So we're going to be trying that out today. So Mr. Patrick, let's hope we're not disappointed. Alrighty, so it comes in this nice, like almost like a rose gold kind of packaging, and then the color shows here at the top. Alrighty, so what we're going to do first, before I use it, I'm going to prime my face like I normally do with the Milani SPF BFF primer. Face is already moisturized, of course. Okay. Make sure your skin is good and moisturized. Alright, so the bottle is very nice and sophisticated looking. So that's the bottle, regular glass bottle. It says Patrick Ta here, and the name of the foundation is on the front, and his signature is at the top. Very nice, very nice. Alrighty, and it comes with a pump. Alrighty, so I'm gonna just pump it directly on my face. Alright, let's just do one side first. I won't be able to do a wear test because it's very late in the evening. Alright, so you guys are close enough. Okay, it's very pretty, and I think the color is good. And I'm just using this flat top brush. She did, the lady that that matched me, she did match my, match it to my chest. My chest is a little lighter than my face, but let's see. All right. The only place I have a little spot is like right here. So it covered that. Okay. So this is the side with the foundation, and that's the side without the foundation. I think the color is great. All right, so let's do the side now. And I'll put a little bit more on the first side just to see if I can build it up a little bit more, even though I don't really need it. But you know, let's see how it looks. This match is perfect. All right, Mr. Patrick. I did get one more thing, but I'll show you guys that another day because it's all about the foundation today, right? I like the pump. It's very nice. Just push it back into my hairline. Okay, so that's how it's looking with just one pump, right? Let's put on a little bit more, just a tad bit more. That's it, no more than that. Just to see if it does anything different. So, you know, if you're looking for something, it looks like it's nice, and your skin looks nice and glowy. I like that. Especially that it's coming up in the winter where, you know, it's gonna be cold. You don't need to have on a matte foundation. Okay. So that's how she's looking. I want to turn my lights all the way down so you guys could see. That's without the lights all the way up. So I think it's very, very pretty. So it's very, very pretty. So if you guys, you know, it's a little pricey. So if you can't splurge right now and you don't want to splurge and get it and it doesn't match, even though you can always change, I would do like go in and get like a sample. But the skin is skinning. Honey, look at my skin. Yes, ma'am. So we're gonna do the rest of the face really, really quickly, and then we'll talk about it. All right, so I'm gonna use the Too Faced concealer. No, you guys are not here for this part. Let's see how it works with this. All right. All right. I'm gonna blend this out with my sponge from Shop Miss A. My damp sponge. So, you know, I want to see how it works with the stuff that I normally use on my face. So it's blending out really, really nicely. Okay, let's do the eyes. Yeah, she's very, it feels like skin. My skin does not feel tight. Okay. It blends in nicely. Okay. All right, let me just check this right here. All right, so we're gonna set it. We're gonna set it. All right, keep your fingers crossed, guys. This is the test. So I'm gonna use a sponge. Take off the excess. Look up. Okay. So far, so good. It's not picking up the concealer. Okay. The foundation is not moving. All right, we'll just set in this and then I'll go and finish off the rest of my face and then come back to let you guys know what I think. Okay, so far I'm liking how it's looking. Very nice. Alright, setting my smile line just to make sure. It's not picking up anything. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll come back, okay? Okay guys, so this is my face after I've done everything. I put on my face powder, my blush, my contour, my bronzer. I did my lips. I did set my face with the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray, and I did my lips, and I put on some mascara. I think I said lips twice, but overall I think I love how everything turned out. I think everything worked well together. I think my face looked beautiful. So I know she's a little pricey, but if you can get a sample first and try it out, I think this would be a good foundation to use in the winter. So sorry I can't do a review because it's like 8 o'clock at night, but I'll wear it to work tomorrow, and I'll go to my community tab and maybe post a picture of how it looks after like my full work day. Okay guys, so that is my review. That's my skin. I really love it. So Mr. Patrick Ta, you did your thing, and I'm a fan. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. And just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy my review. I'll be sure to wear it, you know, to work for a full day, and then come back in my community tab and let you guys know how it, you know, held up throughout the day. All right guys, again, if you love the video and enjoy my content, please remember to thumbs up the video, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel. Also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload. Okay guys, if I didn't say, you can pick this up at Sephora, okay? And I do thank you guys for watching. Take care. Bye. Face.